Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Quantum Stream Studio microphone and you're having an issue where the microphone sound is too low, especially if it sounds okay while you're, with the playback monitoring in your headphones, and then you go and, you go to edit and it sounds too low. Basically what you might just need to do is turn the microphone gain up on this microphone, or basically turn the microphone sensitivity up on it so that it picks up more sound. And it's really easy, but it can be a little bit confusing because you're basically going to use this dial to turn it up and turn it down, but we're going to push this button to toggle between the microphone and the headset. So if you've turned it up and it gets louder in the headset, it might actually be that it's on headset. So you just want to hit this and toggle it over to microphone, and then you can turn the microphone sensitivity up. Then if it's too loud in your headset, you can come back over and turn your headset back down until you're getting something balanced where what you're hearing in the headset is pretty much equal to what you're getting with the finished product. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. And if you're interested in this microphone, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get it.